All right, we're out in my backyard and we're gonna build a SunSpot and solar eclipse viewer with these supplies. So I have a trusty Amazon box here. Not too big, but you can basically use any size box that you can find. I have some aluminum foil, scissors, some packing tape. You can probably use duct tape too. A pencil optional, and a piece of paper that I've already added some tape to. There's a little dust there. I've already added tape to the back. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so I guess the first thing I'll do since I have this ready is tape this inside the box. So you want to do like this is the length of the box. You want to do it on the back of the length of the box. And this one looks like it's gonna fit just right. Just gonna stick that right in. Okay, next what I need to do is cut a hole on this side. It doesn't have to be that big. Mine is about 1 inch by 1 inch. You don't have to measure it. You can see I just kind of estimated it. And well, I didn't cut it yet, but I drew it with my pencil. It's optional. You don't necessarily have to draw it. And then you need to cut out a viewing hole, which should be the length of your eyes. So you may want to draw this one and hold up your eyes to the box like this to make sure that your eyes have room to see through the viewing hole. Because you notice I drew it first too short. I held it up to my eyes and I realized only one eye was going to be able to look through there. So make sure it's long enough, maybe 5 or 6 inches, something like that. All right, so the first thing I have to do is cut out the holes. And you can use a box cutter. I'm choosing to use scissors because I don't want to cut myself with the box cutter. Be very careful and get a parent's help for this part. Okay, there's my first hole. See, it's not perfect, doesn't need to be perfect. And then this one. Always point the scissors away from your body and away from your eyes, especially. This is a beautiful sunny day for me to do this today. And I hope you can hear me over the planes. I live near the airport. All right, so there's my viewing hole. And I'm just gonna check one more time. Yes, I can see through with both of my eyes. So that works. All right, so the next thing we need to do is cover this hole with some aluminum foil. Now you only need about a 2 inch by 2 inch square. So I'm gonna, actually that's probably more like 3 or 4 inches, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna cut this into a square shape. It just needs to cover that square hole there, enough that you're able to tape the sides. Okay, now I'm just gonna take some of this tape, pull off maybe 4 pieces, and tape it to that hole. Ah, my aluminum foil better not blow away. All right. You can probably hear the birds. All right, now you want to pull this rather tight as you tape it. Here's one side, the other side, 3, and 4. All right. This is my push pin. If you don't have anything like that, maybe a needle, like a sewing needle, or pins that go in a pin cushion. Maybe a toothpick. It might be hard to do a toothpick because it might rip the aluminum foil. So I'm gonna put a hole right in the center of this aluminum foil. That's it. You can't see it, but it's there. All right, so now the next thing I need to do is tape this box shut with my packing tape. Press that down real good. And now you have your viewer. So what you're gonna do is face the pinhole toward the sun and then view the little dot that's on the other side. So let's try that now. Let's see, the sun is almost directly above me. There we go, and I'll see if I can show you my viewer. It might be hard, but let's see, I have to face this, up toward the sun. Sorry about that, I have ants on me, I think. So I've got that up toward the sun. And now I'm gonna look through, yep, I can see it. Okay, let's see if you all can see. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just moving my camera around. Maybe you can see the little sunspot there. So I can see the sun on the white paper. It's just a small dot. And if you do this throughout the year, you can monitor any changes. You may be able to see sunspots. And throughout the year, as we rotate around the sun, you may see changes in the sunspots. And then look up your next solar eclipse and plan to go outside with your viewer during the solar eclipse with your parents' permission. You do not want to look at a solar eclipse. Never, never, never do that. I think there are special glasses for viewing a solar eclipse. So if you're planning on looking at it, make sure that your parents provide you special glasses, or just don't look at it and watch it through this box. You'll see the actual eclipse occur in the box. All right, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your viewers. Bye-bye.